Hey there, this is Anthony Volpe with LLB Partners. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to log into the Sage Partner Cloud and give you a few tips and tricks as well. So I'm going to enter the Sage Partner Cloud website, and it's going to bring you to a login screen asking for the email address and password that you set up with the emails that were sent to you by Sage. So I'm going to type mine in here. And when I log in, it is going to bring me to my portal home screen. And you'll see it has all of the standard apps that are available through the cloud, as well as any custom apps that may have been published for your system. The standard apps are Sage 100, which will just open just Sage 100, nothing else. Data Drive, which gives you access to the folder that Sage 100 is in on your cloud, as well as Virtual Machine Access, which will open up a completely new desktop, often called a remote desktop, on your screen. Another thing that you'll notice is up at the top here, it says Windows mode, and I can also click Browser mode. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you can use one or the other. If you're using another browser such as Chrome or Firefox, browser mode is your only option. The difference between the two is if I'm using browser mode, any of the applications that I open up are going to be opened within a web browser, whereas Windows mode will open up directly on my computer. Let me show you what the difference looks like here. So I'm in Windows mode right now, and if I click Sage 100 and let this launch, you can see that it actually launches Sage 100 directly on my computer. I can move it around my screen just like normal. And if I had multiple monitors, for example, I could move it across multiple monitors. So now if I was to do that same thing in browser mode, you can see it's actually opening up a new tab on my, my browser, my session here in Microsoft Edge. And it is launching Sage 100, but it is confined to within this browser. So I would need Microsoft Edge open the whole time for me to use Sage 100. So if I was to minimize this, for example, it just brings me back to my standard desktop. Still the same functionality, but it's maybe a little bit more limiting to where you can move Sage 100 on your screen. One more thing I wanted to show you real quick is the way how you can create a desktop icon for the Sage Partner Cloud. Now, if you wanted, you could make this a favorite within your browser of choice, but often Sage 100 users are used to it being an icon within their desktop. And if you open up the Partner Cloud using Microsoft Edge, you can actually do that. If I click the top three buttons on the right-hand side of Microsoft Edge, there's this option called Apps, and I can say install this site as an app. I can name it whatever I want, Sage Partner Cloud, and I hit install. And then it gives me the option to pin it to my taskbar, create a desktop shortcut, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to say allow. Now you'll notice I'm closing Edge, and I have an icon on my desktop just like I would any other program, such as Outlook or Word, for example. And I can click on this, and it's actually going to just open up the Partner Cloud, but within its own little application, not having to open it through Edge. So that can give you a little bit more of the look and feel of a standard program that's on your computer, but it is still being launched in your Sage Partner Cloud. So. If you have any more questions about Sage 100 or the Sage Partner Cloud, please feel free to reach out to us either through our website or shoot us an email. Thanks.